Hi, my name is Victor Koo. Happy Chinese New Year, Year of the Snake 2025. What I'm going to show you is how to put together Penang style popiah. This is my family tradition. My mother makes popiah once a year. She only makes it once a year during Chinese New Year when all her siblings and relatives come and visit her on the first day of Chinese New Year. This is the first time that she hasn't made popiah. My mother is getting old. She's almost 90. So I'm carrying on her tradition. And this year, for the first time, I make my mother's popiah at home in Penang. And I have my family over for dinner last night. What I'm going to show you is how I put the popiah together, which I learned from my mother. There are a few ingredients right here. This is Penang popiah skin. In Hokkien, we call it popiah puih. It's made from flour, a mixture of flour. And I have a video which I've done very early on how to make this popiah puih. I was back in Australia, so I couldn't get fresh popiah puih in Australia, so I had to make it my way at home. So in Penang, I can get it, so I bought popiah puih. So first, there is the popiah puih or popiah skin. I put it on a plate. There are two types of sauce here. This is sweet and salty sauce. In Hokkien, we call it jeow. So I'm going to take some of this sweet salty sauce, spread it on my popiah puih, and then I'm going to put on some chili sauce. These two sauce is made in Penang. Now, next is to put the lettuce leaves. This is coral lettuce leaves on top of the sauce and popiah puih. And then this right here is the popiah filling. This filling, I made it myself. This is the key ingredients in making popiah is the popiah filling. Now this popiah filling passed down by my mother to me is actually stir-fry jicama or bangkwang with carrots, julienne carrots, pork, string beans, tofu, and prawns. So I just spread some of this popiah filling on top of the lettuce leaf. And if you like some crunchiness, this is dried shallots. Sprinkle some dried shallots on top of the popiah filling. Then wrap it up. Fold it one and then fold the side in and just press it in. So that is Penang style fresh popiah, homemade, except the wrapper or the popiah puih, which I bought it from a very famous traditional shop in Georgetown. Happy Chinese New Year. My mom, when she tried yesterday, she was very pleased. So I have done my mother justice by carrying on her tradition. Happy Chinese New Year. My name is Victor Koo. If you enjoyed this video, remember to subscribe and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.